Good morning, engineering fanboys. So we did a lot of repairs to the 3D printer. Um, it was horrible to troubleshoot it. Oh my gosh. uh, but after a long time of not using it, um, you can see that the spool grows brittle, right? So the spool grows brittle, and that's what you can see here on the head gasket of the where the head gasket enters. You see here, it broke, snapped in half. So one way to get rid of the 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 the, the infill or the feed is you can just click on this. It's not gonna come out. It's literally stuck in there, and that's due to its material properties. So right now this is room temperature, right? I'm in my room and I'm in room temperature. So room temperature is exactly what it is, like room temperature, you know. This needs to melt. Uh, so you need to heat up the head. I have another one here, as you can see. Uh, this actually, this actually, this is exactly the same thing. This is exactly the same thing. You see that? So this is exactly where it goes in here, and and then this little clicky thing, you can hear it. It rot. It's like a gear in there that it rotates the infill. I mean the spool, the PLA material. It fits it in there. However, you need it to heat up because the cross section of the PLA, it needs to get smaller. So for that reason, it needs to heat up first. That's why it's called a heating element. And as you can see here, this actually, uh, am I allowed to cuss? Is that unprofessional? Ah, fuck it. It's fucked up. This thing is fucked up. Uh, this thing is fucked up. So you can see here, it's burned, literally burned. So this is good. You know, as I'm finding out, it's always good to have spare parts of the same part or similar part, because as an engineer, um, you have to troubleshoot and you have to redesign and you have to sometimes order parts from online or Amazon or anywhere, right? So yeah, so I bought this. It's pretty expensive. It's probably, well, it's like, forgot how much it costs, but um, pretty cool piece of equipment. Elegoo ELAV2 fan 2 fan 1, and then um, so now we're gonna heat up the heating elements. So you go here to prepare. You see here, you go to prepare, temperature, extruder. So you have an extruder, uh, extruder, it's hard to see, but the first one is extruder, and then temperature. So really, this is the one that's gonna remove the material. And you want to be very careful with these because these 3D printers are very weak. They can't take a beating. So then you click on PLA, and automatically the system knows how hot to get, so it can melt. So that's called a heating element. This icon is the bed, leveling the bed actually, and then the other one's the fan, and then the other one's the bottom of the head. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to see, but anyways, right now it's it's moving up to, where is this? 151, 153, 155, 205 Celsius. Well, it's really going up fast. 182, 200, almost 205, 205, 205. Okay, now it should stop. No. So the PLA, I barely noticed this. You can decide that you only want. Yeah. Okay. So I'm learning as I go. So like you see how the two values are 0, 0, and then the first value is 205 Celsius. So now, uh, hopefully it should be hot enough to melt to remove. No. I have. Ah, shoot. Okay, I don't know. That didn't work. Holy shit. Hmm.